Good evening. 126 arrests to be exact.
But Albuquerque's career criminal could finally spend some serious time behind bars. Today, Kevin Garner faced a judge again. Here's News 13's Crystal Gutierrez.
Well, Jessica, you may have heard about Garner's 126th arrest yesterday, but the district attorney's office says it's an arrest back in September that really counts and could earn him a long prison sentence. Kevin Garner has just about worn out the revolving door. Yesterday, the career criminal was arrested for the 126th time, this time for cooking and dealing meth. His arrest record includes serious felonies like shooting from a motor vehicle, kidnapping, and child abuse. District Attorney Carrie Brandenburg says Garner has been held accountable.
People that commit property crimes aren't looking at life sentences.
Here's a sampling of the sentences he's received. In 1997, Garner was convicted on 13 felony counts and sentenced to 10 years in prison. He served 4 years and 4 months. Then was released on good behavior. In 2006, he was convicted on drug and stolen property charges. The habitual offender should have faced a mandatory 1 year in jail. NBC officials say their records show he served less than 4 months while he waited for his sentencing. Then the judge gave him probation, even though the DA's office recommended jail time.
There was some issue, him wanting to be placed on CCP. He was rejected by that. Went back to court, and the court suspended the entire sentence.
Garner then violated his probation last year, but instead of being shipped off to jail, a judge put him in drug treatment. Brandenburg says that may be his last break. In September, Garner was arrested and charged with kidnapping.
It's my understanding, we don't have the case yet in the office, is a very serious case.
Police say he and his 2 sons held a woman against her will because of a drug debt.
This time, if we have evidence and he's convicted, we'll have a substantial likelihood of him serving a significant period of time.
And Brandenburg says if the courts can get a conviction on the kidnapping charge, Garner's lengthy criminal history will play a factor in his sentencing. Jessica, back to you.
Okay, Crystal, the justice system is already getting a little tougher on the career criminal. His bond for his September arrest was $10,000. Now Garner's bond is being held on a $100,000 cash-only bond.